Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I want to share with you today a Christmas craft, and I'm going to show you how I put this together. Let's get into it. So I have this big piece of wood. I bought it like this. It has a hole in the middle, and I'm going to put some Mod Podge down on the front, and I ripped out a Christmas design that I have. I believe I bought this off of Etsy and then ripped out pieces of the design that I wanted to use. I also make sure to put Mod Podge on top of the paper as I go along. It is okay if your piece of paper goes beyond the surface area. You'll see the parts sticking out off to the side there. I will clean those up at the very end. It's easier just to put your image together and then cut off the excess later. So now I have my image together, and I'm going to cut off the excess. Depending on what you're using, if you're using tissue paper, you might be able to burn it off or to use a little sander. This was computer paper, so it's easier just to cut off the excess with my scissors, or you could use an X-Acto knife as well. Now I'm going to take a little tiny bit of brown acrylic paint and just hit the edges, and in the middle. You can't see it on camera, but when you rip and put your image together, sometimes the white computer paper shows up when you're piecing it together. So I like to go in with brown or whatever color you want to use, but I like this to look a little vintage, so I'm going to use the brown and just fill in those areas. It just helps clean it up and make it look cohesive. I grabbed some greenery from my craft stash, and I will use this to fill in the hole. I have placed styrofoam in the hole there, and we'll put the greenery in. You don't have to do this. This is completely optional. If you don't have greenery but you have a candle ring, that would work perfect as well. I also had these fake berries that I'm going to place in as well, but use what you have and get creative with it. I'm going to take a ribbon to make a very simple bow around my timered candle. And then I will place this timer candle into where the greenery is, and here is the final product. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you'll give it a try. Thank you so much for watching and crafting with me today. Please like and subscribe to this channel for future craft videos. And as always, keep creating. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day.